Well, we've made it to a master bathroom. As you can see, we have windows, we have a tub, and we've got some fixtures. Let's just talk a minute about the past week, because it's been crazy. And you haven't heard from me. Number one, because I'm a real estate agent and clients come first. Number two, because a lot of things happened that we didn't plan on happening. And number three is because we've been trying to figure out a lot of things that had to change. What usually you might not see in your usual HGTV are all the changes that actually happen before you get to the final product. Well, that would be this week.
Full disclosure, we all voted for bronze. However, there was not a faucet for the freestanding tub in bronze. Our options were black and gold. So since everybody voted against gold, I went with black. So that's where we're at. But that's what I think is in this box. Box blank. Oh, and in true Chelsea fashion, I bought options instead of just one. So this is faucet option number one. So we have like the old school handle with the rivets in between. And this is definitely bronze and not black, which I thought I definitely ordered bronze, black. But anywho, option one. Alright, this must be option two because there's two of these boxes. Okay, so this one's black for sure, and it has a longer faucet head, so it'll stick up a little bit more versus like the lower, just very clean lines for here. So that's what we got. This one I'm most excited about because it's the lighting for the bathrooms, and I don't think I've shared it with you guys. I also don't think I've shared it with Mom and Taylor, so I think I'm the only one that kind of knows what's in the box. So, you can see. So instead of an overhead light for like the mirrors, it's a sconce. What do you think? They're awesome. That's it. That's our unboxing today. So we have lights, we have fixtures to choose from, and now we need to go put them in the tub.
All right, guys, let's talk about changes this week. Because boy, did we have some changes. See, what all have we changed? Well, number one is you'll notice we have these beautiful windows here, which we had planned to just restore the old wooden windows, and that didn't happen for a lot of reasons. One, we couldn't find a way to make it eco-efficient. Number two is we didn't have enough of the certain kinds, and so then we ended up with mixed-matched windows. Didn't like the way that looked. Anyway, lots of reasons, new windows. Number two, we had to take down all the insulation. It was pretty gross. That was something we hadn't planned for, that we ended up doing just so we can put in some new fresh insulation. You don't have to worry about allergens because it had to be back. Number three, we got some holes in some shiplap, but we won't talk about that because we haven't recovered yet. Number four, you'll notice in some of the videos that we actually only have one back door now. We had planned for two French doors. I'm actually okay with this change. I think it, design-wise, makes so much more sense. It really fits the space. I think it's really gonna look really good. I don't know what number we're on, but we also took out the beloved chandelier out of the dining room for a few different reasons. It just makes it a lot more of a flexible space. If somebody comes in and just wants to have the eat-in island, which is something I would do, they can actually extend their living room by almost 5 feet to give them a lot more space. And then vice versa, if you really wanted a bigger dining room and you didn't care about your living space, I guess you could go the other direction. Instead of moving the bathroom window, which we talked about in the last video, we actually decided geniusly, thank you Joe, to just get a smaller window, which worked. Also, speaking of windows, I had talked about how we were going to put 2 windows. You'll notice that there is now 1 window in the master bathroom, so that happened. What else? Anything else happen? Oh, we've got an attic ladder, we've got AC going in, we've got a new roof, so lots of stuff happen, which we're really pumped about. But for some things, as far as sanity, is why we're in this tub, because it's needed. Let's take you around and show you some of the new things that have changed, the things that are the same, the things that we're talking about, and the problems that we're trying to solve.